Hey community, how are you? phillycabledave here. Guys, I'm gonna do something a little different here. On this channel, I'll do something different. I'm trying to find out YouTube's algorithm and also how the community gonna respond to this one. I'm gonna do a flat out, straight to the point, raw how to install PhoenixOs. Let's go. Guys, first install of Windows. Open the File Explorer, go to my PC, and there you see it. C drive, it was 500 gigs after I formatted, 476. Guys, to install PhoenixOs, you need another partition. And let's make that happen. Where you do that, go to your start menu, right click. Go to disk management. Here's that C drive. System reserves in case your Windows crash. You somehow get it back, that'll help you. But right here, guys, I'm gonna make a partition. Shrink value. I would like you to put in there for a 16 gig box, because we're gonna have Android on this partition. 17. $17.40. I'm gonna shrink it. And that is 166 gigs. Come back out. I made a mistake. Formatting the partition. I'm gonna right click once it's done. 166 gigs. I ain't having that. I'm gonna delete the partition, start it again. Go back to C, extend the drive. It's back to the original 476. I'm gonna right click again, shrink value. Put 17000, 3 O's, shrink. That's a little more than 16 gigs. I'll make a simple volume here. It's going to be D, hit next, NTFS, or any kind of format. I'm going to put Android here. Now if I go back to my computer, my PC, Windows, 421, Android, that will be installed on this partition, 16 gigs. Guys, PhoenixOs installer, you click on it. Hit yes. You got the option install. Make a USB boot disk. You can boot right from the USB drive and have fun with this PhoenixOs. Uninstall it. We're gonna do what? Install. You know Windows is C, and that's the Android partition. I'm gonna hit next. You have the option 4 gigs, 8 gigs, 16 gigs, 32 gigs. I'm gonna do the 8 gigs right now. It says about 2 to 5 minutes. See what's going on here. Guys, when it's finished installing on that partition, I'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about halfway through, but usually I get a quick pop-up saying it's been installed and reboot your computer. This little mini PC. See what happened here. Guys, this is a test of YouTube's algorithm, and I just want to see how the community respond. This is raw. Y'all know me. I do my things detailed. I just want to see how people feedback be. And there it is, guys. And what does it say? Congratulations. PhoenixOs has been successfully installed to the PhoenixOs folder. Please reboot and select PhoenixOs. Guys, I'm just going to hit OK, but it has reboot now, remind me later. I'm just going to hit OK. And go back to Explore, my PC. As you see, it's installed on that 16 gigs. It took about almost 7 gigs, and there's my Windows. Close this out, guys. Going to the Start menu, Power, Restart. Let's see what we got here. Again, this is a YouTube algorithm test, and see how the community respond to a raw video. No details, no none from Philly. I'm gonna see how this is gonna be. And there you are. You have two options now. You got 30 seconds to select which operating system you want to go into. We want PhoenixOs, which is Android Nougat on a Windows environment. System initializing, please wait. From here, we should go right to the desktop, but it's doing some things in the background right now. Let's see what happened. And again, this is a YouTube algorithm test to see what's going on and how my followers and the streaming community react. I need some feedback, people. You know why? Because I do detailed videos. But this one, raw. Soon as I hit that desktop, guess what? I'm out. I'm gonna see if y'all can work it out. These short, undetailed videos and YouTube algorithm. I do things a little different on that on this channel, guys. I'm just trying to work this out. System initializing. Please wait for PhoenixOs to configure itself on that D drive of the Windows environment PC. It took about 2 to 6 minutes to install it on that 16 gig partition. And there we are, guys. Once you get to the PhoenixOs welcome screen, you must change this to English, United States. Hit next. Accept the terms. I'm hardwired already. I'm the owner. And what do we have? We have Android Nougat dual boot on your mini PC or any PC. Let's go look at a little couple of things. Still doing some things in the background here. Let's give it about a 20 seconds. See if I can right click. Yeah, it's working out. go to the menu here. That's all the partitions. They go to Android system. This is being mirrored. That's Windows. You know why? Because I backed up the last apps from the previous video. And I put them in my documents. And I'm going to install one. In the same environment, I got access to the Windows drives. One app installed on there. Guys, Philly Cable Dave, this is a test of the YouTube algorithm and the streaming community. Who likes detailed videos or who likes short and raw videos? Have a nice day. Please leave me some feedback, thumbs up, and share my content. But not this one. Have a blessed day. Peace, Philly.